If you have any question or concern, then I will help you there. First part, introduction, Node.js and npm. Theory. Yes.
Reactive JavaScript library for building UI. Single page applications. Single page applications means
Right
all
now,
the
yes.
like when we click one button, it's gonna take to another page.
Means it will re-render that page with a new component, with a new data. This is page is single only. We are using the changing the component there.
Hmm.
Understand my point?
Yes.
So you can think of page is nothing, it's a collection of components. Okay, or big container which contain another component.
Hmm.
Okay, we are using the component here. Okay.
Yes.
So that's why we are saying single page.
Okay.
And one important point here you need to remember, it's a library. It's not a framework. Framework and library both have a different meaning. Okay. Library give a flexibility which you can use in your own way. Makes sense? But framework have their own protocol which you need to follow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So I have a little bit confusion about the Node.js. Like still now I'm not like what is it? Like fully if we need to understand.
So Node.js earlier means
We just we just
we
downloaded the extension from the Google and we're using
yes.
it. But
So
well,
so basically Node.js is a, you can say, earlier means JavaScript we used in a front end mostly. Front end
yes.
part. Okay.
Yeah.
Now means with the node we are able to run JavaScript on a backend as well.
JavaScript on a
Backend as well.
but we're not we didn't learn anything about backend yet, right?
I am just explaining Node.js to you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if we need to use this as a backend, then it should be capable to run on a server, right? Run the code on a server, right? And they require dependency as well. You understand my point? Like Python, pip is used for managing the dependency, install the packages. Okay.
Yes.
So same thing with this node. So have its own ecosystem. Means it's have a libraries package, inbuilt package, and you can use third-party package. Okay. So React also support this ecosystem for front end. Okay. So for that, right now, what we are doing, we are using this ecosystem and build system. So that's why we will kept everything in a, you can say, this package.json script file and write a script, and based on script it will work. It is building a things for us, running a things for us. So for now, you will understand it's a build system, not just in nothing. It's a build system for us. Greater reactors. Okay. What is the purpose of build system is to resolve your dependencies and download for you. Okay. And you can say make a build so that you can deploy it. Okay. So you can check this. This is a runtime to run JavaScript outside the browser. Otherwise, whatever you learn, you will use your JavaScript in HTML and HTML page is rendered there, and you are good to go. Means browser can understand JavaScript in that manner. But if you want to run means without browser, then Node.js come in a picture.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead. What is Node? We have covered. NPM you need to check.
npm is a package manager used to install library, manage dependencies, run scripts. So
Build system.
npm is a part of Node.
Yes, it's a package manager. What package manager we will check? It will based on a you can say package address or name. It will download for us. Am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
If it's updated, it will tell us here this version has been updated and there is some vulnerability. Please update it.
Okay.
New package is available. Please update it. Am I right?
So this is saying npm is used to run scripts. So a few minutes ago when we were doing the npm run dev, you were talking
Yes.
about this thing here.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So with the help of Node package manager, we are running these scripts by using this ecosystem.
Yes. So it's an ecosystem. When we talk about ecosystem, it's a full thing. Language is there, runtime is there. Am I right? As
Hmm.
well as means package manager are there. Okay, which
Okay.
will help us to resolve the dependency.
Why this stack? React UI layer, Django API backend, tooling plus ecosystem. Okay. Plain English mind mapping, customer UI, kitchen, Django delivery system, API, Node plus npm. Little bit confused about this three
Oh,
things.
okay, no worries. So right now, this is a counter. Customer UI is a counter where you can place your order. You understand?
Okay. Hmm.
And you can say where it's prepared. It's prepared in kitchen on a back end. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So far, are this training what in which framework we are going to build our backend? Django.
Django.
Okay. And what we are going to do in a Django API?
Hmm.
API is a main thing. With the help of that, we will like API is nothing. It's a waiter. Makes sense.
Hmm.
Who is in between, middleman between client and the kitchen? Waiter.
Okay.
Understand my point?
Yes.
So you will means order your item and tell them the waiter, hey, I require this. Means
And
waiter go to the kitchen and tell them, hey, we will go to this order.
hmm.
Now please prepare this.
Oh.
And when it's prepared, we will say, hey, now it's ready. You can enjoy
Hmm.
that. So it's a simple request response model of server client. Okay.
Then what about
And
this supply chain tools?
supply chain to prepare something or UI, even UI, you require some chaining tools. I mean, right? Those are tools. With the help of that, you are able to create the things or package the things.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
So for counter, your this counter, how you will make it, how they will place the order, how for that you require some tool. I'm right.
Hmm.
So those are these tools.
Okay.
As we earlier learned this fetch, now you can use fetch here as well to interact with your backend, make
Hmm.
API calls. Okay,
More than, yep.
go ahead, please.
component reusable, declarative, not
Are
describe
you
UI.
clear about this modern web architecture, which I explained to you? It's the
Yes,
same thing.
yes, it's the like customer kitchen and API.
Yes, database is a you can say storeroom where everything is stored.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, go ahead.
Hmm. We already installed Node, right?
Hold on, you need to know the philosophy or this main
This
philosophy.
one,
That yes,
React philosophy.
yes,
Component based reusable UI blocks, declarative, describe UI, not steps. Meaning,
means earlier you are defining the steps. You in a HTML you define the steps. Am I right?
hmm.
Means this is the first page, this is the second page, this is the third page. Am I right? But here you are declarative. You are through programming. You are doing this, and based on a data, it will change. UI will update automatically.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you are describing UI through your code. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Installing we already done. If you check
Yes.
that, please check that. Just going through that.
Yep.
You want to
Using
create a
Vite.
new file. Yes. If you want to do
Okay.
that,
One thing like what is Vite?
Vite you can say is a package which make our life easy. Okay.
Okay.
Because in our UI we have a different you can say libraries and frameworks are there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Vue is there and means we can develop a React application with a TypeScript as well. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And so that's why means Vite will take a step ahead and create a you can say package. With the help of that we can create our own project with ease. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
If you otherwise if you not use Vite, then you need to do this manually, do everything manually. Okay, but with the help of Vite it will do everything for you. So just go ahead and create a one project by own and you understand. This is a beauty of Vite. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
go ahead, just create a new project in a new folder, create a new folder, my practice or practice folder, under
Under
practice, React, under React, yes.
mm,
So here my practice folder, new folder, or here you can say my portfolio, my portfolio.
but
Yes.
there is a React again. Isn't going to be a problem or no?
No, just do one thing, leave it. Don't create any folder. Right click on that this project folder and run those commands. Leave it here. No, no, not here, not here. Project practical folder. There.
Okay.
Open in a terminal. Open in an integrated terminal.
Okay.
Here you will type run that command npm create Vite at my app
npm create Vite.
at latest. At
Okay.
latest means whatever version, latest version available for this Vite. You need to
Mm-hmm.
use that. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And whatever file name you need to use, you need to use that. Right now it's my app. Okay. At the place of my app, you can use any other name. It's totally up to you. Let's
Okay.
say, let's start with a new project. Here you will consider this as a you can say factory management, factory management, factory management. Yes, enter. Now it will asking you, hey, this package name is fine. Okay, yes, we are fine with that. Now it will tell you, hey, you need to use React. Yes, we are interested in a React. Okay. And which flavor you want to this? JavaScript or Java React compiler? Java React compiler. Java React compiler. Okay. And yes, we need to install. Here, while you are installing, it's going with the npm. You understand my point?
The libraries.
Yes. And this npm is doing everything for you.
Okay.
Done. Okay.
And then
Now, done. Just run. Check the output.
so this everything is created, right?
Yes.
Okay. So everything is connected, working now. I just need to change the UI, right?
Yes, as per your call. Basic
Okay.
template is ready.
Mm. It's really fun. Not gonna lie.
Yes. So if you enjoying and means it's fun for you, why not? We will grab some project and do this fun again and again.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying you need to make uh, make this thing as your income source. Okay, so that
Yes.
you can enjoy every moment. Okay. So now go ahead and check other things, please.
Project structure. Mm.
So node modules. Okay. Node
Mm.
module is nothing as its name suggests. Node module. Whatever module required to run this project. Okay.
Mm.
It contains all the things and is downloaded by npm. So dependencies. Okay.
Yes.
Open that node modules folder. Okay. Good.
Yes. What are these?
You can okay, as I told you in your this we require some dependencies. Am I right?
Mm.
Which is mentioned in your go to your packet.json file, please. Packet.json file. Close this. Go to your packet.json file. Yes, this one. Here you are able to see dependencies, tab dependencies, and
This one.
dependencies. Yes. Okay. And dev dependency is also there. Am I right?
So what are they doing?
Means they are saying, hey, if you need to run things, it's
Mm.
like Vite, we require Vite to run our project. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and we need these are the, you can say, ingredients to make a dish.
Okay.
You understand my point?
Mm.
Without ingredients, you cannot prepare a Maggie. So without
Mm.
ingredients, you cannot make a tea. Am I right? Ingredients are required. So for your this, there are two type of ingredients. Is you can say here, which will you can say bare means which is required to run on a local only. Those are
Mm-hmm.
called dev dependency. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
but which will not part of your production final output. Okay,
Mm.
so those are called dependencies. Do one thing, just remove that Node.js folder. Node modules, remove that. Just remove. Right click, remove. delete, delete. Okay, move to trash. Okay, now here in a below control Q or control C in a terminal.
Oh, what happened?
Where is the VS Code?
Oh, I turned it off.
Okay, go to factory management project. Okay, it's there. Okay, now do one thing. Just type np not here cd
CD.
cd factory management f.
Yeah.
Yes, enter npmi. npmi stand for install.
Okay.
Okay, okay, hold on. To install the thing, from where it will check what thing I need to install.
Library. All the libraries.
Yes, but what it will refer? It will refer this file, packer.json.
Hmm.
You understand my point? So there should be some index should be there. Based on that, it will take a decision. Here, I need to install these things. You understand my point?
No.
Okay. Let's say I will say, hey, in a kitchen, go to kitchen and take these items. Am I right?
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
And if there is a, you can say, list is there, from there you will get that, hey, these items are means available here, and I can take that up. I mean, I will take that those items from there. You understand my point?
Hmm.
So right now, when we are saying npmi, we are saying, hey, means please install a dependency for this project for me on my behalf. Please do that. Okay. But how npm will understand from where what I need to install?
Hmm.
There should be some entry. You understand my point?
Yes.
If let's say I will say, hey Saad, you need to done something,
Hmm.
then this is the incomplete and vague requirement. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
You need to do something. What? You understand my point? But when I
Yes.
say, hey Saad, you need to done a form design, you need to done a page, and you need to perform a click event, then it makes sense for you. Am I right?
Yes.
So for NPMI is not enough. He requires some more information. From where it will get more information? From this file, package.json. Package.json file.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So here, based on this thing, now if you open that node modules folder, open that now and match these things. These things are there. At the rate line number 70, are you able to see Babel core? At the rate Babel core. Am I right? So you are able to see
Yes.
Babel is there. At the rate Babel folder is there.
Yes.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
apart from that, you can check other folders. ESLint. ESLint is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Lint.
Yes, ESLint.
Yes.
So how is coming? It's coming from this file only.
Mm-hmm.
Now you understand what is
Yes.
dependency and self-dependency.
Yep.
Okay, if you understand this, go ahead, please.
Main component is app.jsx. Package.json is so app.jsx is where we like define all the functions and everything, right?
Yes, yes. Single page. It's a single component. which will do that. And this is a main entry point, like
So
main function.
app.jsx, just finish
Src under source.
under. So what I did is over here, right?
Src. No,
Yeah.
no, factory management. Factory
No, no.
management is it.
Over here, like before, what I did was a card.jsx, right?
Yes.
So is this app.jsx? No.
No. Go to leave it, close this project, my portfolio. You create a
Okay.
new project. Go there, please.
Yeah. This one. This one, right?
Yes, yes. And
And
main
what about
dot main is
JSX?
also there. Yes.
It's just calling the app right from here.
Yeah. Yes. 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 As you said,
Just
it's a main entry point. Yes.
main entry point. Okay. So we just okay. So this file is gonna stay like this for all the other ones. It's just gonna call that file, and the app.jsx has gonna have all the components and everything here.
Yes. Yes. We will update this based on a condition,
Okay.
which we learn. Which we learn.
Mm.
Here, component is nothing. It's a part of UI which will return UI to you. Am I right? It's a function
Yes.
only which will return a UI. Okay. Now you understand this why JSX. Because
Hmm.
earlier you are confused. Now you can check that.
Yes. HTML inside JavaScript. JSX. Yeah, makes sense. Hmm.
So if you want to use any variable inside your component, then
Hmm.
this is an expression. Okay.
Yeah.
You need to put that into a curly braces, and it will means understand this is an expression before means displaying, or I need to evaluate, and
Hmm.
after evaluating whatever value there I need to use that value and just show the output.
Yes.
Okay.
Components. Reusable components. Main live inside app. User use state. Um, I guess they're just this function is for this one. I guess.
Yes, updating the yes.
Right.
Yes. But this is an important concept. Right now, just you need to understand there is a one variable, and to update a variable, we have a one method. And use state have two things. It will give us a value as well as method. Okay. And zero means initial value of that counter is zero. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's why means when you refresh your page, you are able to see counter is zero. Okay.
Yes.
And for that, on a button click, what we are doing here, we are saying, hey, please increment the value. Okay.
Hmm.
By one. Whatever value is there, we are displaying on a button as a label. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, and here you need to understand earlier, whatever we are doing on click, we are doing here as well, but C is capital here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Mm, what is this?
This is API call.
Um,
Right now,
like
just
this.
take it lightly. We will use this later point of time. You can say if you want to make a use effect. Use effect is also a hook. Use state, use you can say these are hook because
Mm-hmm.
it will take some time. That's why we are saying, hey, first we need to vanish load. We need to wait, and when it's resolved, when we have a data, we need to iterate over that data and render a UI. Makes sense. And it will create a list of the UI items, post, and display that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a thing. We will cover that. That's not an issue. If you want to try, you need to try that with a real URL. Right now, it's a dummy URL. Okay.
Okay.
And you can say this only. We learn. We learn how you can do that. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
API call with a fetch. We already know. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. You already done. Task 5 will not, we will not do right now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't know those. Okay. Mini project mapping. You can need to do this.
Okay.
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 But right now, I want real implementation. I don't want means a simple UI with a simple thing. No.
Okay.
If you have any question or concern, feel free to ask, please. But I want real thing.
Can you show me one example how you want?
Why not? I will show you. First, complete this, please. First, complete this.
Yep. Done.
Okay. Now, I want here, let me share my screen. Okay. When you're able to see my screen, please let me know. So,
Yes, I can see. Can you make it a little bit big? Yep. No, no. All good.
so here, if you check this, what I want, in a API, post API list, we will get all the you can say this list of posts. Am I right? With a detail, ID,
Mm-hmm.
title, description. Okay. What I want, you need to fetch that API. Post system. Right now, Means we don't need to care about API. It's fine with me. If you just do one thing, you need to do this assignment in the page. Okay. What I
Hmm.
want, you need to create a one this. Okay. And
This is
here,
this is a
what you need to do, there is a form is there with a required field. Okay, let's say name. Name is there in a form. Okay, name, value is there. Okay, name, description. Right now, these two things are required on. Okay,
Hmm.
and there are two buttons are this. Let's say submit and clear. Understand my point?
Hmm.
Clear. These two buttons we require when the user will submit. Okay, then new item is added in this list. Okay, let's say you enter this and title and message. Okay, and
Hmm.
here we will say, let's say title is there. Let's say start first post. Okay, and here description. Let's say blah blah blah, whatever you enter. Makes sense. So after that, when it's done, submitted, done, and it's rendered, you need to clear this. Okay. And
Clear
you
what?
clear this form.
Hmm.
And if you enter another item, then it should be rendered here as well. Okay.
Hmm.
Then it will work like this. And if let's
Oh,
have
like
a
when I submit, it's gonna render and show that that was the first post, something like that, right?
yes, whatever you're making is adding a
Okay, okay,
more item. You right now you
okay,
don't need to take care about any API. This is the array only. You are adding a
okay,
array item in array and just rendering. Okay,
okay,
and then for this today, one assignment you need to do this one. Okay,
okay.
okay. Then in the
Yes.
next sequences chapters, I will tell you means hey, if I click on this, I will select this will filled with this information, and if you change something, you will update this report, particular report.
Yes.
Okay, and then we will give a delete button as well. If you click on a delete, it will delete it.
Okay. Where do you
But
want me to keep the delete?
yes, but right now
Where
you
do
need
you?
to focus. Right now
Okay.
you don't need to care. You need to focus on these two things. Whatever you enter, it should be rendered without API. It's a array list. Okay.
Okay.
Initially, it's a empty. There is no posts. Okay, Sat.
Yes.
Let me stop the recording.